Why does China keep seeing new opportunities in opening up? The two sessions are underway. Seeing new opportunities in high-level opening up has become a key priority, driving both win-win cooperation and high-quality development. The government work report states, we will further expand high-level opening up, stay committed to win-win cooperation, steadily advance institutional opening up, and expand international circulation to promote reform and develop through opening up. Opening up in China spans across all sectors, from trade and investment to culture exchanges. More and more outstanding Chinese cultural works are going global, bringing Chinese stories to audiences around the world. Right now, I'm at Shanxi Grand Theatre. The dance drama The 10,000 Mile Tea Road is about to be staged. This production will soon tour Russia, a vivid sign that Chinese culture is going global at a faster pace.
我和我先生已经有多年做这样的文化交流活动，我们是从民间的角度建立中俄友谊之桥。我希望将来中俄文化交流会更多、更多元化、更丰富。
In recent years, Chinese culture expos have boomed, bringing outstanding stage works to global audience.
Я был первым, кто поставил в эти годы произведение китайского автора Мо Яня, Нобелевского лауреата из Китая, поставил спектакль «Лягушки» в Псковском драматическом театре. Это была первая постановка китайского автора. Так что Китай для меня не чужое место, и я изучал культуру китайскую, в общем, для этого спектакля. И спектакль, кстати, идет с большим успехом у нас в России, показывался 2 раза в Санкт-Петербурге. А ранее уже на фестивале Александринский, в Александринский театр в 2015 году уже приезжала труппа из Шаньси со спектаклем «Жизнь в театре», так что мы надеемся, что наше сотрудничество будет продолжено.
Going forward, China will continue to expand high-level opening up, promote culture exchanges and people-to-people bonds. From a dream of red mansions and the journey of a legendary landscape painting to the 10,000 Mile Tea Road, Chinese performing arts keep going global.
我们已经多年呢在万里长廊沿线上推广中华文化。那么我们在这个过程当中深刻的体验到和体会到呢，就是我们现在中华文化大国气度现在海外的影响力越来越强。
Opening up brings vitality and culture exchanges build closer bonds. China keeps seeing new opportunities in opening up because it stays committed to the fundamental policy of opening up, relies on its super large market and complete industrial system, advances institutional opening up aligned with global rules, and integrates into the world while pursuing self-development and expanding space for win-win cooperation. Stay with China Why. We keep expanding why China works.